Okay, now that you know the basic design of the cube, we can start solving it. So first of all, um, you can tell the color of the side by looking at the center cube, because no matter what way you turn those, they'll never move. So that's how you can tell what color that side's going to be. So we're going to start with the white side. And first you need to start off with the cross, which would mean finding these four white pieces to make the white cross. Which would be, those pieces would be this one, this one, this one. It's 3 and it's 4. So you need to get those 4 pieces on the corners. Well, while you do that, you also need to match up the the color on the side face with the same color on the white face. So that would mean, for example, this red will have to go right here and the white will have to go up there, so that matches with this centerpiece and it matches with the face of the centerpiece that you're trying to solve. And sometimes this will happen where you have the piece and you turn it and the colors are on opposite sides. When that happens, you do this algorithm: front inverted, up, left inverted, and then up inverted, which would get the white to match with the white and the red to match with the red. So once you know that, or you practice that, you can find the rest of the pieces. So there's another one, and it's white to white, orange to orange, and then here's and that's the same thing, it's on opposite sides, blue to white. So you do that algorithm: front, invert it, up, left, invert it, up, invert it, and have it. And one more, which is right here. And turn it, and okay. Once you have that cross and the colors match, red, red, blue, blue, orange, orange, and green, green, the next step is to solve for these corner pieces. And you can see this one's already solved. It's already where it needs to be. Yeah. But to solve for those 4 corner pieces, you have to find them, which would be this one, and this one. It's 3, and then the 4th one's already in its place. Alright, and in order to get those colors where they belong, you have to put them directly under where they go. So for instance, this is red, green, and white. So you put it by the red, the green, and the white would be the face. Then you do this algorithm, the same algorithm that I used in the beginning: right invert it, down invert it, right, down, right invert it, down invert it, right, down, and right invert it, down invert it, right, down. And that put that piece where it belongs, with the white, the green, and the red. And then you do the same for the other 2 pieces, which would be this one. And see, this one's green, and orange, and white. So you do, and it's directly under it, so you do that same algorithm: right invert it, down invert it, right, down, right invert it, down invert it, right, down, right invert it, down invert it, right, down. And that piece will be where it belongs. And then the last piece, put directly under it, and the same: right invert it, down invert it, right, down. It might take you 1 time, or 1 to 6 times to get it to where it goes. Okay. And once you have that, you can see that you have 1 face done, and then 1 layer done. After that, you have to solve the center layer. So what you need to do is turn the face that you solved and turn it so it's on the bottom, the down face. And then your next goal is to solve for, as you can see, you already solved the center pieces and they're where they need to go. And all you need to do is solve for the corner pieces. And you can see this one's already where it belongs. This one looks like where it needs to belong, but it's not because it has yellow on this side. So you have to solve for these 4 corner pieces. And there's 2 algorithms that you need to know, because there's one to turn it to the, okay, hold on, let me just, okay, for example, this is green and this is red, and this is, the green needs to be over here and the red needs to be right here. So there's an algorithm to get the cube, make sure you match them up, and there's an algorithm to get it to go to the right, which would be